discuss about the PUC first year, first mathematics chapter, that is sets. The first chapter is sets. Let's we have to discuss about the what is a set, whatever maybe the properties are there, characters are there, everything we have to discuss about this. Okay, students. Now, first of all, we have to know that what is set. Set means is what? Generally, we know that the students. A set is a one group. Generally, a set is nothing but a group. Group is called as a set. But mathematically, not it is generally. Collection of the vowels in the English grammar. The collection of the consonants in the English alphabet. These are the example for the sets. The set is represented by curly bracket, or generally we have to call it as a flower bracket. Curly bracket. Using the curly bracket are braces. These are called as braces also, and we have to represent the set. And the set representation symbol is English capital letter A or B, A to Z, whatever may be the letters alphabet we can be used, but it should be capital letters. Okay, but some standard notation is there. Later I will explain that everything. Okay, English capital letters represent, but how to read it is set A is equals to, this one is read as set A is equals to. Okay, students, and see here in the set some symbols they will use this one symbol, we are generally call it as belongs to, and this one not belongs to, not belongs to, or is an element, is not an element, is an element, is not an element. Okay, suppose set n is equals to, set n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, suppose the number minus 3, suppose the one of the number minus 3, minus 3 is not an element of n. How to read this one? Minus 3 is not an element of the set n. Means this minus 3 is not the member of this one set. Is there here? Check it is 1, 2, 3. Only positive numbers is there. There is no negative integer. Then this minus 3 is not in the member of, not in the element of which set? N. Suppose I took 7. 7 is an element of n. Because here continuation is there, no dash. Means on this order only we have to move 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. All the natural numbers are there. Means 7 is an element of the set n. Or 0, if I consider the 0, then what you which symbol we have to use? This not belongs to or belongs to? Is an element or not is an element? Which symbol? Yes, definitely we have to use which one is not an element. Okay, 0 is not an element of n. Now the students, I will ask the one of the examples. Standard notation. Q is a standard notation of which set? In the number system I must. Q is a standard notation is there in the number system. In which number system is Q is using? Yes, definitely it is a rational numbers. Set of rational. Set of what? Rational number. Okay. I will ask minus 33 by 2. Minus 33 by 2. In the box, what the symbol we have to use? Is not an element or is an element? Which one we have to use here? Think minus 33 by 2 is a rational number or not. It is a one of the member of rational number or not. Is an element of rational number or not. Go to the definition of the rational. A basic knowledge it needs for to define this one. Yes, definitely. The rational number definition itself is there. Any number can be represented. It is possible to represent P by Q form. It may be the minus, it may be the positive. But the condition is what? In the P by Q form, Q is not equals to 0. Q is not equals to 0. If Q is not equals to 0, is nothing but positive. The denominator should be positive. The numerator not it is. Hence, we have to use the students here is an element. Definitely it is an element. I hope you understood. Okay. The next concept. I said it is not an element, but I used the symbol is an element. Actually, what is not an element? This one. Okay, students. Now to discuss about the representation of sets. What the concept we are going to discuss? Representation. Representation of sets. Representations of sets. What are the kinds of representations? For the three kinds of representation. How many kinds? Three kinds. Write down the students. The first kind. The first kind of the representation, not the type of sets, sir. It is kinds of representation. The first one, roster. Roster method or roster form, or in another name it's called it as a tabular. Roster or tabular form. The second kind of representation of a set is a descriptive. Descriptive form or statement form. Descriptive form or statement form. This is the second kind of the representation of set. The third kind of representation of the set is builder. Builder form. Builder form or rule form. Builder form or rule form. There are three kinds of representation of the sets. If I just represent three kinds, the name is given means do not understand. Let's we have to took the example. Better you should be understood. Okay. Listen the students. I will take one by one example. Then one example in the different form how it is represented. For example, in the first one kind, which one is there in the first kind? Roster or table. The roster or tabular form how it is represented? Set n is equals to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, dash. It is an example form for writing the representation of the set in the builder. But in the second kind, what is the second kind is there? Descriptive form or statement form. In the statement form, how it is represented? N is the set of natural numbers. N is the set of natural numbers. Both is same only students example, but the representation writing the method is different. Set n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash. What is this one? This is the set of natural number. But how it is represented? N is the set of natural number. Okay. In this form, this only set. In this form, how it is written? The third one example. For this one to this one, how it is represented? Set n is equals to x is to x. X is to x or x by x is a natural number. Is a natural number. See, what is the difference is there? In the curly bracket only in the first and third kinds of a representation of the set is there. They use the bracket, curly bracket. Writing the statement is there, but it is a mathematical formation is there. It is a general notation. For when they do in another language like it is, just a language like n is a set of a natural number. Social language like it is a representation. But these two kinds is there no? It is a representation, especially in the mathematical knowledge basis. They use the bracket, curly bracket in the code. I hope you understood. But in the roster form, each one member is writing as a separately. Element is representing as a separately. But in the descriptive or statement form, the nature of the set within the statement they will explain. Within the statement they explain. And the builder or rule form, what the character of the set is within the bracket, that one is explained. For example, another example we have to take. Set E is equals to x is to x or x by x, comma x is a natural number, comma x is greater than or equals to 50. This is an example for builder form. What the example I represented, in which form it is a builder form. Can you say convert into statement form? This one representation you should convert into which form it is? Descriptive form. In the descriptive form, how you are writing? E is the set. E is the set of natural numbers greater than or equals to 50. Greater than or equals to 50. See, this is both are same representation. No, method of representation. Both are same example, but the method of representation is what? This x is greater than or equals to 50. Natural number is there, but x is greater than or equals to 50. In the first kind, how it is representing this one? Set E is equals to greater than or equals to 50. Natural number, but that number should be greater than or equals to 50. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. See, whatever the elements are there, members are there in the set E, those are the elements greater than or equals to 50. I hope you understood this one representation of the three kinds of the sets. Okay, students, by watching the first video, this one better to understand. The first video, I gave the introduction for the PUC first year mathematics syllabus. For this one video, I started the one of the chapter explanation. This is, I think it is more useful for you. Okay, thank you very much. See the students, we have to discuss here standard notation standard notation of the sum set representation. If that symbol is represented, confirm we have this is a set of this only. Okay, then like some standard notation is there. What are those? Write on the list of the standard notation. The first one notation, capital N. In the set capital N is represented, we have to say definitely it is a natural number set. Natural numbers set. Which number? Natural numbers. Already we have to discuss in the number system. Okay. If your W is used, what is that one? Yes, definitely whole number. Whole numbers set. Whole number set is represented by W. If Z is used, what is that one? Integers. The set of integers set. It's a set of integer set. Okay, and I hope you understood now. Q is nothing but what? Yes, definitely it is rational number. Rational number set. And IR, see the students, this is only the set. Two symbols are, two alphabet they will use. In all other rest of the sets they will use only one, this one. Irrational set. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers set it is. Okay, and next very important, P. What is which number system do they use the P, capital P? Yes, it is a prime number. Prime numbers. Prime numbers set. Okay, and E is nothing but capital E. Capital E is which number set? Yes, even numbers. Even numbers set. And O, capital O, not the small o, capital O. But is already you know? Yes, definitely. Odd numbers. Odd numbers set. Okay, students. This these are the standard notation of the sets. Natural number N, whole numbers W, integers Z, rational number Q, irrational number IR, prime number T, even numbers set is E, odd numbers set is O, and real numbers capital R. Real numbers set. Okay, students, these are the standard notations. I hope you understood.